Hey everyone, I would just like to take the next few moments to talk to you about this really neat bedside lamp that I have right here. So this lamp comes with everything you need in order to set it up. It's super easy. It comes with very simple step-by-step instructions. So we have our lamp. It does have to be plugged in order to work. We have a button to manually work it and switch the modes. But it also comes with this really cool app, which I will show you in just a second. And not only that, you can actually connect it to your Amazon Alexa or your Google and change the light modes that way as well. So it comes with this nice long cord. Also comes with this USB plug to plug it into your wall. Super simple. All you have to do is plug the cord into this part of the lamp. So you'll notice we have a nice, beautiful spherical lamp. We have a little notch in the back just to kind of set it up, and it gets the perfect angle. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, and I'm going to turn it on. So in order to turn it on, I just press the back button here, and I'm going to go ahead and press it again so we can go to one of the modes. So in order to decrease the brightness without using the app, I'm just going to twist this little knob back here so you can see it's super easy, and it just gets lighter and darker as you twist it. So I'm going to turn it down so hopefully you can see. I'm going to click through a couple of the modes. This one's pretty cool. This is actually orange. So it does have a really nice kind of fiery, warm feel. Here's pink, and so I noticed that every time you click through the modes, it does automatically go to the brightest one. So this works great if you're not trying to film it on camera, and I really want to show you all the colors very, very well, but yeah, even with the brightness all the way down, it's a little hard to tell. I'm going to maybe turn my light off really quick. There we go, that's better. So you can really see, I feel like I'm holding a cool little globe of light. And there are almost infinite choices of light once you start using the app. This is a really cool kind of goes on and off little flash. I like this one, it's just blue. And this one is like a little purple one, and it can move back and forth, I think. All right guys, now I'm going to show you how to use the app. So it's super easy. All you have to do is follow the directions and download it to your phone, which I have. And so if I go over to, let me open up my app. So I'm gonna go all the way over. It's called the Smart Life app. Looks like a little house. I'm gonna click that. And then all you have to do is hook it up to your Wi-Fi and connect it to your lamp. And it was super easy, only took me a few seconds. So I can go down to the bottom where it says Smart. I'm gonna go ahead and click that. And this gives me tons of options. So not only can you change the lights, you can change the mode, and there's even an option for like an alarm setting where this lamp will turn on to the desired mode when you have that set. So let's see here. All right, so I went and clicked on the light. Here are all my options that come up. We have night light, so if I turn on the night light mode, this can be our night light. I can use the app to decrease the lights or increase the light. So this is kind of a nice calming light. I can go to the color light section, and this is really cool. It actually has one of these little rainbow things, and you can move your little mouse all around to get to the desired color that you want it to be. So we have so many colors, and this is why I'm saying you have like infinite colors, because you have this whole entire rainbow, and it really, really does a really good job of switching different colors. So this one's pretty cool. This is a red one, so it's the brightness is all the way down. So if I turn it all the way up, it just becomes a lot brighter. So then one more thing that I wanted to show you is there are actually 9 special effects. So if I click a special effect, let's see, this one's called Neon, and it's kind of cool because you can see, or hopefully you can see, the colors are changing. They're kind of swirling. They have really cool effects. So each one is a little bit different. Some of them are blinking slowly, flashing. Um, this one's cool. It's called Bonfire, so it kind of glows like a bonfire. I really find that neat. I'm gonna darken it a little bit, but you can see it's kind of glowing. I think that's really, really cool. So it's super easy to change the mode and set the alarm, and it's just super fun to use. Like I mentioned, you can use your Amazon Alexa or your Google to help change the color of the light, so you won't even have to get up. And it's really nice to kind of set the tone. So if you're working out, you can set it to one specific light mode. If you're maybe having a fancy dinner, you could do with a more romantic light mode, maybe like this. It's just really, really fun. You can do it for like sleepovers, girls' nights, dancing. It's just really, really neat, really helps set the ambiance, the environment, and helps make things a lot more fun. So I hope that you guys enjoyed my review of this super cool lamp, and I hope that you guys check it out.